Wemo, Wemo, Wemo. Testing sound, testing the sound, testing the sound, testing the sound. Whoa. Whoa. This thing is so cool. I love this little OSMO 3 Pocket Content Creators Kit. I highly recommend it. It's what I'm starting my little career out on. You should check it out. This thing's so cool. I'm still learning all the features and capabilities, but it's got 4K. It's got good resolution. It's got great sound. It can make you sound super good. On this microphone, it's delicious. I don't know, but it's a nice, fun view. Yes, I have a camera. I have an OSMO 3 Pocket Creator Kit with tripod. I must recommend you try such a device. It is highly worth the investment. Well, I suppose it'll be far more valuable once I create something that goes viral. But, hey, as a creator, this little kit, this little gear, essentially handles everything I need. It would be nice if it came with a second mic so I could actually, do some real podcasting with other people, but this will suffice. Other than that, this thing is sick. I love it. All right. I'm signing off.